So I wanted to talk to you about little frogs. So there's already a complete tutorial for little frogs, but I'm aware that this is the first time in 30 progressive tunes that the right hand and the left hand are working together as a team. So I just wanted to show you quickly where they go on the harp in relation to each other. Now, different teachers will teach different things for this, but I'm going to show you how I was taught, which is that the middle of the strings is always the nicest sounding part of the strings. Now, if we've got our left hand, thumb on F, and second finger next door on the E flat, which is what we're going to need at the start of Little Frogs, obviously you can't have where your thumb's going to play being at the middle of a string, because then your second finger is going to be way down near the bottom. Or if you put your second finger in the middle, then your thumb's going to be way up at the top. So we go for some kind of compromise where the middle of the strings is about here. And then in terms of, we're going to use our right hand as well. We're going to use our second finger and it's going to go on the A flat, so on the A string. And that's going to be, my second finger here is lower than the left hand thumb. I don't know whether you can see. You see it's lower down the string than the left hand thumb, but it's higher up the string than the left hand second finger. So that was just something I wanted to show you.